In this era of artificial intelligence, anyone can create their own 3D animation movie, even without any knowledge about 3D and animation. In this AI tutorial, we will convert any existing video into a 3D animation with just a few clicks. I will also show you how to create your own 3D character easily. So, without wasting any time, let's get started.
To begin using the video to 3D animation converter, you need to create a Deep Motion AI account. You can find the link in the video description. Click this button to create a new Deep Motion AI account. After logging into Deep Motion AI, click on the Animate 3D. You can follow the guide by clicking the Get Started button. Now click on the 3D Models menu. In this example, we will use the Ready Player Me avatar generator. First, choose your body type. You can upload your photo to convert it into a 3D avatar, or you can choose the Continue Without Photo option. Next, select an avatar model and click Next to proceed. You can customize the skin color, basic face shape, and various face details like eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, and hair. Additionally, you can change the avatar's hairstyle, outfit, accessories, and makeup. Once everything is set, click the Next button. You can register with Ready Player Me or choose Continue without sign up. Finally, enter your character's name and click the Save button to store all the avatar information. Select your 3D avatar character and click the Create Animation button. Upload your video. Go to the Video Output menu and enable the MP4 output option. Select the default background. When ready, click the Create button to convert your video into a 3D animation using Deep Motion AI. After the generation process is complete, click the Download button, select MP4 format, and click Download to save your animation video. Here is the video result from this Deep Motion AI tutorial.
Thank you for watching this free AI video generator tutorial. See you in the next artificial intelligence video. Bye!